hello, and welcome to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today we are talking craft fair. We are talking about having a craft fair booth that you are proud of and that is all homemade and you have created. So first of all, my friends, we have the large casserole carrier. These items sell so incredibly well for me because nobody else is doing them. Yes, please start making these. Large casserole carrier. I sell them for $25 a pop. And then we have our baby bibs. And our baby bibs are so incredibly easy to make. I use one side that is fleece or flannel. The other side is cotton and beautiful colors. I have dignity bibs. Dignity bibs are for adults. And all of us have a little drool once in a while, both in our youth and possibly in our old age. So if you know a loved one who is a little bit sloppy at dinner, maybe had a stroke or heart attack or something, the dignity bibs are incredible. And yes, they sell. All right, underneath these dignity bibs, yep, that wobble wobble is a dignity bib too. We have a doggy placemat. Well, you know what? You can put your cat bowls, you can put your dog bowls, or my friends, guess what? You can put this in any color, use it as a burp cloth. Beat that. And hiding back here, we have our Kleenex holders. And with our Kleenex holders, inside of these, they fit the wonderful Kleenexes you can get in the Dollar Tree for a pack of 10 or a pack of 8, whatever you like. Great for your purse. Absolutely wonderful. And a pin cushion. Who knows a quilter or a sewist in their life? We've got 2 different kind of pin cushions here. And we've got them with beads. We've got them with different layers. We've got them in different colors. You can make them that way too. Because my friends, this is not about me selling. This is about you selling. How do you pack your tables? You want to pack them in an organized fashion. And what's going to draw them in but somebody playing with this beautiful tooth fairy pillow. Make them in pink, make them in blue, make them in green. Just make a little tooth and little lace, a little extra fabric, and you've got a tooth fairy pillow with a little stuffing. And who has never seen a soup bowl cozy? Well, my friends, these are 100% microwavable. 100% cotton. Make sure your scrim and your batting is 100% cotton. How do I make them? How do I sell so many? I sell so many, my friends, because I use 2 layers of batting. I use 2 quality pieces of quilter's fabric, and I make them by the hundreds in lots of different colors. You can too. And look at this. We've got a pattern. Well, who wants a necklace? Who wants a pattern for a quilt? Who wants what? You can do patterns, or look at this goodie bag. If you have a craft table, you can put all kind of yummies for your scrapbooking, for your junk journals in a bag. Put $1 on it, put $1.50, easy sell, or put it in a brown paper sack, can't see in it. It's a grab bag, my friend. Who doesn't want a grab bag? Put a hobby on it, put an age on it. And pot holders, make your pot holders any kind. They still sell. Yes, my friends, they still sell. And what do we have here but a Christmas tree? Oh my goodness, you would not believe how well these sell. These are napkins. And yes, my friends, at the dinner table for the holidays, we still like to decorate, and aren't these lovely? You can sell them in sets of 2, sets of 4, sets of 8. I'm telling you, they fly like hotcakes. How much do I sell them for? Well, I recommend $7. I've seen people sell them for $3, but yes, they take a lot of fabric to make this, so make sure you're getting your money's worth out of them. Who has never seen a jar opener? Well, my friends, these are so incredibly easy. Get your shelf liner and put them with a piece of scrap fabric about 6 inches. I like 6 by 6 inches. Just make a quick, simple stitch all the way around it. Turn it right side out. Sew the seams. We've got tutorials on all of this. And popcorn. Who doesn't like popcorn? My friends, this is $7.50 for 1 piece of fabric. It's a microwave popcorn bag. It's easy. The directions are everywhere for this. And if you watch my tutorial, you are going to see how easy this is as well. And I sell them for $7.50 a pop, and they sell well because, hey, If you think you're going to like this, what is the other popcorn lover in your life? Yes, yes, yes. Buy a couple inexpensive, homemade, wonderful gifts. And what are these things falling all over the table but miniature junk journals? Have you ever considered making a junk journal? Yes, my friends, put them on the table. Give people ideas. Tell them to touch, feel, play. That's what it's all about. We've got junk journals and they are gorgeous. And you can make these and you can watch my tutorials and see exactly how to make them. Rope bowls. Yes, they were all the rage back in the 90s. Well, my friends, they are the best storage containers I have ever had in my bedroom, in my sewing room. You can have a little jewelry bowl, a little junk bowl, a little thread bowl, a little craft bowl for all of your crafts, and potato warmers. Yes, 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 you've heard of it. This is what it is. 2 different pieces of fabric, and you have them with the fabric cut in half, 2 pieces, about 12, 14 inches. Watch my tutorial, and I'll show you exactly how to make that with 100% scrim cotton batting. Yes, scrim matters. And what do we have right next to them but tortilla warmers? Hey, 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 my friends, you want to cook any kind of vegetable in the microwave. You want to keep your bread hot. You want to keep your tortillas hot. This is the way to serve them to your table. Lay this on your table and impress your guests, or just make your family happy, because those tortillas should be warm and will be warm. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful other casserole carrying dish, perfect for the pie, perfect for the cake. And yes, you can carry it with the strap that is here. We are having a tutorial coming up. Hit subscribe right now. You can make these in any color you want. And trust me, no sewing, no quilters. Craft table is complete without quilts. My friends, bring a couple of quilts, hang them up. Absolutely gorgeous. They sell well, especially around the holidays. So if you are having any kind of craft sale near October, November, December, this is the table you want to look at. And we are not done yet. We have the activity mats. We have the fidget quilts. Hit that subscribe button. I've got a couple of these already demonstrated online where I show you the dexterity, the occupational therapy, the physical therapy, the fidget. In us all would love this. Great for toddlers, great for anyone in a nursing home or who has had a stroke or any kind of other occupational problem with their shoulders, their hands, their feet, their mind. And look at that. I can put love notes in there every time I visit my loved one, or better yet, a couple 4x6 photos to fit our last event or memories of yesteryear, so someone can have touchy-feelies, both audible, both physical, and both occupational. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, my friends, well, thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget, those bags, they really sell. You make any kind of bag you want. If you don't sell something else, everybody always needs another bag. So those bags, those tote bags, those purses, they sell well. And thank you so much for joining me today. I don't know if I mentioned my rope bowls, but the rope bowls are still incredible. My friends, I am having so much excitement at some upcoming craft fairs, and I have had so many successful craft fairs over the past, and I have had other quilters, other crafters, other sewists come to my table and say, Wendy, if you are selling these the same price I am, why do they fly off your table and not off of mine? Hit that subscribe. I'm telling you all my secrets coming up soon.